A comprehensive guide to growing anemone. Anemone is a charming and versatile flowering plant that adds grace and elegance to gardens and landscapes. With their delicate petals and vibrant colors, anemones are highly valued for their ornamental appeal and ability to thrive in a variety of growing conditions. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of successfully growing anemone. From selecting the right varieties to caring for the plants and enjoying their beautiful blooms. Choosing anemone varieties. Anemones offer a wide range of species and cultivars, each with its unique flower shapes, colors, and growth habits. Some popular anemone varieties include anemone coronaria, poppy anemone, anemone hupahensis, Japanese anemone, and anemone nemorosa, wood anemone. Consider the desired flower colors, heights, and suitability to your climate when selecting your anemone varieties. Selecting the planting location. Anemones thrive in different growing conditions, depending on the variety. Generally, they prefer well-draining soil with moderate fertility. Choose a location that receives partial shade to full sun, depending on the specific variety's requirements. Avoid areas prone to waterlogging or heavy clay soil, as excessive moisture can lead to root rot. Planting anemone bulbs or plants. Anemones can be grown from bulbs or purchased as young plants. Follow these steps to plant anemones. Bulbs. If using bulbs, plant them in the fall for spring bloom or in the spring for summer and fall bloom. Soak the bulbs in lukewarm water for a few hours before planting to rehydrate them. Dig a hole that is approximately 2 to 3 times the diameter of the bulb and plant it with the pointed end facing up. Space the bulbs according to the recommended distance for the specific variety. Plants. If using young plants, dig a hole that is slightly larger than the root ball. Place the plant in the hole, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with or slightly above the soil surface. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the plant. Water thoroughly after planting. Watering and moisture requirements. Anemones prefer moist but well-drained soil. Water the plants regularly, especially during dry spells, to keep the soil consistently moist. Aim for deep watering, allowing the water to penetrate the root zone. Avoid overwatering, as waterlogged conditions can cause root rot. Applying a layer of organic mulch around the plants can help retain soil moisture and regulate soil temperature. Providing proper care. To ensure healthy growth and abundant blooms, follow these care guidelines for anemones. Fertilization. Anemones generally do not require heavy fertilization. Before planting, incorporate well-rotted compost or a balanced organic fertilizer into the soil. Additional fertilization may not be necessary unless your soil is poor. If desired, you can apply a slow-release, low-nitrogen fertilizer in early spring. Deadheading. Regularly remove spent flowers by cutting them back to the base of the stem. Deadheading encourages the development of new blooms and prevents the plant from diverting energy into seed production. Pruning. Anemones do not require extensive pruning. However, you can trim back any damaged or yellowing foliage to maintain a tidy appearance. After the plant has finished blooming, you can cut it back to ground level to promote fresh growth. Overwintering. Some anemone varieties are hardy and can be left in the ground year-round, while others may require winter protection. Mulch the plants with a layer of organic material, such as straw or leaves, in colder regions to provide insulation and protect the roots from freezing temperatures. Managing pests and diseases. Anemones are generally resistant to pests and diseases. However, they can occasionally be affected by aphids, slugs, or powdery mildew. Monitor your plants regularly and take appropriate measures, such as using organic pest control methods or applying fungicides if necessary. Good garden hygiene, including removing fallen plant debris, can help prevent disease issues. Enjoying anemone blooms. Anemones bloom at different times depending on the variety, but they typically flower in spring or summer. Admire the beautiful blooms as they open, showcasing their captivating colors and delicate petals. Anemones make excellent cut flowers and can be enjoyed in floral arrangements or bouquets. Growing anemones is a rewarding and delightful experience that brings beauty and charm to any garden or landscape. By following the step-by-step instructions provided in this comprehensive guide, you can successfully cultivate anemone plants and enjoy their stunning blooms. Embrace the process, provide proper care, and witness the graceful display of anemone flowers in your garden. Happy growing!